Since the pandemic started, 10 Tampa Bay has remained committed to bringing you the facts, not fear. The Florida Department of Health is reporting a fifth straight day of at least 1,000 COVID-19 cases. Now, it's important to note there is more testing being done. So here's where we stand in Florida as of this morning. There have been 64,904 positive cases. 2,712 people have died. After more than 1.2 million tests, that's a 5.3 positive percentage. And the reopening of our state continues today. You can now start making reservations for Busch Gardens, which reopens on June 11th. That is part of the park's plan for reducing capacity to comply with the CDC guidelines. Anyone with a date-specific single-day ticket does not have to make a reservation. SeaWorld reopens June 10th. Disney is waiting until next month. Magic Kingdom will welcome back guests on July 11th. Epcot and Hollywood Studios will reopen on July 15th.